Did you know that there are librarians ready to assist you? Regent University librarians are standing by and ready to assist you. Librarians can help you find and use resources for research projects, including books, articles, databases, and more. They can assist you in developing the skills needed to effectively find, evaluate, and use information, as well as answer questions and provide guidance on how to use various resources. Librarians can also recommend great resources such as books, articles, and other materials based on your questions for your research. Finally, librarians can make you aware of how to utilize library services and what services and technology resources are available to you. To get in contact with a librarian, you can go to the Regent University Library homepage, then go to Ask a Librarian, select Learn More Ways to Connect, and here are the many ways you can get in contact with a librarian who will be more than happy to assist you. The Regent University librarians have developed videos to walk students through some of these processes. Going to the Regent University Library's YouTube channel, you will have access to videos that address common questions on how to utilize the library and research materials. Here we can see that we have tutorials by the librarians on in-depth research, how to request books, passive informed research, using Google Scholar, and many other videos that will assist you in your academic journey. Scrolling down to the next section, Regent librarians also offer research workshops, which are recorded live workshops where the librarians work with students on how to effectively conduct their research. Regent University librarians continuously are working on providing guides for students, faculty, and even guides specifically for alumni wanting to conduct effective research. You can scroll through our Libguides to discover the guides that will best assist you with your library and research related questions. You can even search librarians and select the Meet Librarian faculty staff to scroll through our list of librarians who will be more than happy to assist you with your research. You can scroll through and select the librarian that will be best suitable to help you research your subject. Thank you for watching, and as always, we are here to help you with your research.